Science is getting into our life in so many different ways. For example, it has influenced hard sciences like physics and biology, and also it has come into almost every aspect of our daily life. For example, shopping, entertainment, and healthcare. And it could also get into the areas that we didn't expect before, like history or political sciences. And actually, our kids probably will be studying these areas in quite different ways than we did maybe 20, 30 years ago. As a researcher, primarily working on systems areas, I'm happy that our research can help making this very demanding task a little bit more efficient. For example, we have to deal with the efficiency requirement and scalability requirement of many applications these days, dealing with huge amounts of data. For example, some of my projects are currently working on very large graphs, and graphs represent a natural form of data existence in life, for example, social life or our brain network. And with the size of the graphs, we need to have ways to store them very efficiently in computer's memory and try to exploit huge amounts of parallelism in dealing with them when we try to learn useful information from these graphs.
I was working in the industry for a few years. I started working as a network engineer, and then I moved to IT strategy in one of the largest companies. The work was very enjoyable, the teams were great. However, I didn't find it fulfilling. I felt something is missing all the time. And at that time, I decided to pursue a master's degree in hopes to finding where I belong. And I started working on my thesis, which was about drone detection and identification using artificial intelligence. At that point, I realized I felt drawn to this field. I felt that this is what I want to do every day. And therefore, I went and I searched and I found QSRI, and I met the team here. And when I met the team, I found out that this is where I want to be. This is the work that I want to contribute to. And yeah, so this is my story. We're working on one of the most interesting projects, in my opinion at least, because it tries to address a problem that we face every day, which is road traffic. We all commute to work and we all travel to large cities, and high traffic congestion is something that is unavoidable. And therefore, the current research that we're working on tries to address the issue of high traffic congestion using artificial intelligence techniques. Interestingly, we got some results for the network here in Qatar, and we found out that artificial intelligence, if deployed, could actually help in reducing the traffic significantly. Not only that, but also the CO2 emissions, and using artificial intelligence as a way to control traffic signal controls would reduce the CO2 emissions significantly, which aligns with Qatar National Vision 2030. في الختام أحب أشجع طالباتنا والمرأة للدخول لهذا المجال. هذا هو مجال المستقبل، تعليم الآلة والذكاء الاصطناعي. المسميات ممكن تكون مخيفة في البداية، بس لما الواحد يسعى ويتعلم يقدر يفتح هذا الصندوق الأسود ويعرف شنو بداخله، وبذلك يقدر يساعد المجتمع في التطور.